Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you 25 important English sentences for daily use, and I'll also give you the examples of these frequently used sentences in daily life. So let's jump right in. So the first sentence that we have in the list is, you will have to wait for hours. Now let's look at the example. We will have to wait for hours for the full accounting. Now let's look at the second example. For that, we will have to wait for hours and see. Now let's look at the second sentence. I caught you red-handed. Now let's look at the example. They caught the thief red-handed. Let's look at the second example. He was caught red-handed taking money from the till. Let's look at a third sentence. Don't embarrass me. Now let's look at the example. I won't say anything to embarrass you. Now let's look at the second example. I didn't mean to embarrass you. Let's look at our fourth sentence. By the grace of God. Now let's look at the example. By the grace of God, their lives were spared. By the grace of God, their lives were spared. Now let's look at the second example. By the grace of God, the pilot managed to land the damaged plane safely. Now let's look at a fifth sentence. How disgraceful. Now let's look at the example. It's disgraceful that they have detained him for so long. Now let's look at a second example. How you acted was disgraceful. Now let's look at a sixth sentence. That's so kind of you. Now let's look at the example. That's so kind of you to bring them in. Now let's look at a second example. It was so kind of you to share your cookie with Natasha. Now let's look at a seventh sentence. Oh, I'm sorry, I have got a bit late. Now let's look at the example. Maybe I got there a bit late. Now let's look at a second example. Looks like I'm a bit late to the party. Now let's look at the eighth sentence. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now let's look at the example. We're extremely sorry for the inconvenience caused, Mr. Robinson said. Now let's look at a second example. Sorry for the inconvenience that may have caused to you. Now let's look at a ninth sentence. I'll try my level best. Now let's look at the example. And I'll try my level best to work towards this at my own level. Now let's look at the second example. Everyone should know that I'll try my best. Now let's look at a 10th sentence. Would you please speak slowly? Now let's look at the example. Would you please speak slowly in Japanese? Now let's look at our 11th sentence. I don't want to hear your nonsense. Now let's look at the example. It's nonsense to say they don't care. Now let's look at a 12th sentence. Nice to meet you. Now let's look at the example. Lovely. Nice to meet you. Now let's look at a second example. It's nice to meet you both. Now let's look at a 13th sentence. How dare you? Now let's look at the example. How dare you call me fat? Now let's look at a 14th sentence. Long time no see. Now let's look at the example. Sweetie, long time no see. Where have you been hiding? Now let's look at a 15th sentence. Touch wood. Now let's look at the example. There is pressure on me, but for the time being, everything is going well. Touch wood. Now let's look at the 16th sentence. How disgusting. Now let's look at the example. I find his behavior disgusting. Now let's look at the 17th sentence. Leave me alone. Now let's look at the example. Tell him to leave me alone. Now let's look at the 18th sentence. It's too much. Now let's look at the example. He was spending way too much on her. Now let's look at the 19th sentence. I'm on your side. Now let's look at the example. I'm always on your side. Now let's look at the 20th sentence. I know you very well. Now let's look at the example. I know you very well, but first listen to me. Now let's look at the 21st sentence. I never said anything to you. Now let's look at the example. I never said anything to you, Natasha. Now let's look at the 22nd sentence. I have no opinions on this matter. Now let's look at the example. This is a very serious case. I have no opinions on this matter. Now let's look at a 23rd sentence. Of course. Now let's look at a 23rd sentence. Of course. Now let's look at the example. A tropical climate is, of course, very humid. So we sweated all the time. Now let's look at the 24th sentence. I had been there once. Now let's look at the example. I had been there once with my family. Now let's look at a last sentence. He passed by me. Now let's look at the example. Hey Natasha, I said hello when you passed by me. Why didn't you say hello to me? I thought we were friends. So friends, now I hope you all enjoyed this English video lesson and learned a lot. So you can continue studying with me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.